So I stumbled upon this new window manager for Mac called Rift, and it's really intriguing. It's all about performance and usability.
Wait, Rift. I haven't heard of that. What makes it different from the usual window managers on Mac?
Well, it focuses on tiling, which is a game changer for organizing your workspace. Everything snaps into place automatically.
Oh, I love the sound of that. Tiling could really help keep things neat. But what about the learning curve? Is it easy to get started?
Actually, there's a quick start guide that seems pretty helpful. You can set it up in no time. Plus, there are configurations available to tweak it.
That's cool. Configurations are key. I hate when something is inflexible. But is it stable? I mean, it's still in development, right?
Yeah, it's stable enough for daily use, but they're still working out some kinks. No official release yet, so expect updates.
Got it. I'm curious about the motivation behind it. What drove the creator to make Rift?
The creator missed some animations and full screen functionality from other managers. It's about combining the best features.
That makes sense. But I wonder, does that mean it sacrifices some performance for those extras?
That's the catch. They lean on private APIs for performance, claiming they're more reliable since they're tied to the OS.
Interesting approach. But doesn't that create potential risks with future macOS updates? Private APIs can be fickle.
Totally, it could break with a new update, which is a risk, but the developer seems confident about its reliability.
I guess it's a trade-off. I appreciate the ambition, but it's a little concerning. What's the community feedback like?
So far, they're welcoming issues and contributions. It's an active development, so feedback seems to be a big part of growth.
That's great to hear. A collaborative environment often leads to quicker improvements. Have you tried it?
I haven't yet, but I'm seriously tempted. The idea of tiling and the performance boost sounds too good to pass up.
I can see the appeal. Just imagine how organized your desktop could be. But I wonder about usability for casual users.
Right? It might be overwhelming at first for those used to traditional windows. A steep learning curve could turn them away.
Exactly. But once you get the hang of it, I bet it's super efficient. Still, some folks might prefer familiarity.
That's a valid point. It might split users into two camps, those who love the flexibility and others who want comfort.
And then there's the issue of support. If it's niche, how much help can users expect from the community?
Good question. Without a large user base, finding answers could be tough, but maybe active development helps mitigate that.
True, still, it's risky for new users diving into a project that's not fully established.
Agreed, but if they're passionate about it, it might just be worth the leap of faith.
I can see that. Plus, everyone loves a chance to shape something. Have they published a roadmap?
Not that I've found, though outlining future goals could really help build user excitement and trust.
Yeah, a clear roadmap helps users feel more secure. It shows commitment. I wonder if they're considering that.
That would be smart. The manifesto hints at their vision, but specifics would definitely aid transparency.
Speaking of which, it's interesting how it diverged from Glide WM. I wonder how much of that was intentional.
It seems to be a mix of necessity and desire for innovation. They wanted to create something unique with Rift.
That's pretty inspiring. It's like they're not just following trends, but actually trying to set them.
Exactly, but it does raise the question of sustainability. Can they keep this pace and maintain quality?
That's a tough balance. Rapid innovation can lead to oversights. I hope they manage it well.
Same here, it'll be fascinating to see how it evolves, especially if user feedback is embraced.
Definitely. I'm curious to see how community-driven it becomes. Do you think it'll attract a loyal following?
I think it has potential. If the features align with user needs, it could gain traction pretty quickly.
Well, fingers crossed. I love seeing new tools emerge, but it's a bit of a waiting game now.
Exactly, the journey of a new tool is often as exciting as its features. I can't wait to see where Rift goes.
Same here. It makes you wonder about the future of window management on Mac. Could this change the game?
It might, who knows? If it catches on, we could see other managers adapting or evolving in response.
That would be wild. It's all about pushing boundaries, right? I'm here for it.
Totally, and who knows, maybe Rift will inspire even more innovative approaches to window management.
That would be amazing. I love the idea of a fresh perspective shaking up the status quo.
Right? It's a reminder of how innovation often comes from those willing to experiment and take risks.
Absolutely. So what's next for you? Are you diving in and trying out Rift?
I think I will. I'm curious to see if it lives up to the hype. It sounds like a fun challenge.
Good luck. I can't wait to hear your thoughts after you've tried it. It sounds like a journey.